of priority, about 13 counties in our country have experienced many decades of disorder through or perpetuated by a culture of numerous illegal arms in the hands of criminals who have been using these arms to steal livestock and to perpetuate the primitive culture of banditry. I am happy to report that during the period under review, we have made sustained gains in our war against bandits and the terror that they have posed on our people. I am happy to report that this is the first time that the National Police Service is in a joint operation with the Kenya Defence Forces of our country in an operation that is led by the National Police Service with the assistance of the Kenya Defence Forces in accordance with Article 241, 3B of the Constitution. And of course, the Kenya Defence Forces Act, Section 31 and 34. I am happy to report to the country that we have made great strides in the war against banditry, and we deliberately decided that although we know this is a war that is going to take us quite a bit of time, we must first silence the guns in the north of our country and make sure that there is law and order so that we can look at the long-term solutions to this age-old problem.